Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stan store, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sell an ebook on your Stan store? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sell an ebook in your Stan store anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing content like me, you know that sometimes your viewers are going to ask for more information. So it's a good opportunity to sell an ebook. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stan store dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stan store, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sell an ebook, first what you're going to do on the left is you're going to click on My Store. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see the products you're selling on Stan store in addition to an image of your Stan store. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know this is not a tutorial on how to create an ebook. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this is assuming you've already written out your ebook and you have it in a PDF format. Now, in order to sell it on your Stan store, what you're going to do is click right here, Add Product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to look for this button here, Digital Product. Once you click there, you're going to see these three options at the top, and you want to go through them one by one. So first off, thumbnail, you're going to want to go ahead and pick a thumbnail style. On the thumbnail right here, you want to select an image. Usually that's going to be something about your ebook. Here you can go ahead and edit the text. So you want to make it compelling because this is going to be the buy button. Once you set up the thumbnail, you want to switch over here to checkout page. Okay, so here on the checkout page, you want to go ahead and change the image. Once again, you want to change this over to an image of your ebook. Next, you want to scroll down and write a compelling description. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the price of your ebook. Let's go ahead and list it for $75 and scroll down a little bit more. Go ahead and choose the information your customer has to enter in order to be able to purchase your ebook. By default, it's going to be their name, email, and lastly, you're going to want to upload your ebook right here. So you want to click on upload. Now it's uploading right here. Okay, now my ebook is uploaded into my Stan store, and you want to click on publish. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my ebook is listed here on my Stan store. So now what's going to happen is when somebody lands on my Stan store and they go through to purchase my ebook right here, they're going to need to make the $75 payment. Once the $75 payment goes through, they're going to receive an email from Stan store that includes a link for them to go ahead and download your ebook. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sell an ebook in your Stan store, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.